Give this video to 40 likes to let us know if you want to see more vlogs, because the only way we're gonna do more vlogs is if you guys are responsive to the likes help us and let us know what you want to see. So if you want to see more vlogs from us every Monday or just vlogs in general, get this video to 40 likes. If it hits 40 likes, I know that 40 people want to watch this video, well, want to watch vlogs from us. So yeah, get this video to 40 likes and see you on the flip side.
Oh shit, babe, look, look, look.
Okay guys, we're about to start our day. So first thing first, I'm gonna go to Goodwill to just check out some stuff, you know, because sometimes they have like good findings for like if you want to do a quick bathroom decor and like do something fun to your bathroom or even to your living room. They have those things, Goodwill, you know. So that's where we're gonna go, and then we're gonna go somewhere to eat, and then we're gonna do probably a little mini hike. I'm not sure yet, but that's what we have planned for today. So hopefully that's what's going to go down. Just waiting on Eric to come downstairs.
She been calling me a lot. She said I'm busy over the weekend.
Yeah, because you have not been answering your phone.
I'm living very busy.
Okay guys, so we on our way to Island Flavor, which is a new restaurant. We never had that, and there's hardly any Caribbean restaurants out here, so we'll see what that is. Babe, I want to stop at the
like
mailbox.
Chinese people.
Island Flavor?
Yeah.
Really?
We'll get whatever is in the mailbox when we get back.
But I want to check the mailbox now. You see guys, like he don't like stopping at the mailbox. I don't know why.
Because if you got a package,
It's right
it's still
there.
gonna be there.
It don't matter.
Alright, go check it then.
I am gonna go check it.
There was nothing in that mailbox. Exactly. Nothing. How you feel?
Kind of upset. You said what?
This has a lot of hangers.
In that thing?
Yeah.
What we
smell
got?
burnt.
Isn't it right here? Island Flavor.
Be a gentleman and get the door for you. You know, I was saying,
What was you saying? Hi. Well, it's our first time here, so we gotta figure it out.
You want to sit on the table? You want to
Yeah, let's sit at the table. Oh man.
alright guys, we just finished eating before we go to this like little rock climbing thing.
Excuse me. What?
Your breath is hot.
Get your ass out of here. No, it is not.
Your breath stank. Only if I had like a little stand, but the camera is definitely gonna fall.
Babe, you think this is enough water?
No, we're gonna die. We're gonna be dehydrated.
But it's not that hot outside,
Yeah, I know.
so
Sure is hot in here.
it's not hot because you know this car usually be burning up.
Yeah, that is true.
But yeah, y'all,
Let's see how
first
far
time
this plays.
hiking.
Well, we're not going hiking. It's just like, just going to see the scenery. 24 minutes away.
Let's get it.
Come on. It's still saying unable to start Apple CarPlay when safe, please. Oh, okay. I was about to say, like,
Alright guys, so we'll see you guys when we get there.
In 2 miles, take exit 26 toward NV 159.
2 miles, 26. Oh, look at this guy. Look at him. He about to go on the rocks. He about to go rock climbing with us. We ain't going no goddamn rock climbing. Yo, I'm in the fast lane, and I'm not even going fast.
safe driving, kids. Safe driving.
Married a holiday as soon as Buck can get back on the road. Yeah, but you know how that shit go. They so irrational, they don't want.
We are going to some rocks,
You
baby.
can still play the music, but when you get to this part, you just turn down the stuff and put your own music to it.
Okay, I see what you're saying. Damn, you got somebody walking. This thing say 50 miles. Way too fast, boy. We slow down. Alright guys, we went to Red Canyon and
Red Rock.
called Canyon.
Red Rock Canyon.
Yeah, Red Rock Canyon, and the guy said we needed $7 and we only use debit. And we had to come here to go to an ATM to pick up to pick up money. Oh look. ATM.
Guys, people are literally staring every time we have this camera.
I actually like it. Makes them curious.
All right, we'll see you guys officially this time when we get there. Okay, guys, we're finally here. Beautiful scene, rocks all around. Eric over there trying to figure out where we should go next. And we only have a limited amount of time. What are we doing, babe?
Looking for where to go.
You look confused.
Yeah. Very confused. Cutting this way.
Why?
Mother Nature, that's why.
And ain't no Mother Nature. And I got on, guys, this is what I'm going to climb into.
Yeah, for one, don't be a girl. The loop.
Alright, y'all, so we're going to go to the loop, which closes around 7 o'clock. But we have to leave out of here by...
7.
No, we have to leave out of here. We have to start driving at like 5:30.
Yeah.
So we don't
'Cause I
get
gotta go-
locked in.
We gotta go edit anyway. I have to go edit the prank that I did on Abby. You know, make sure you go check that out if you didn't see it already.
Jerk face.
Oh, I'm not even on. Alright guys, as you can see, we're about to make our way to our deaths. You really have on slippers.
Be careful.
No. You need to be careful. But then again, I see mad people with slippers on. So
Yeah, like,
ride a bike down here. I don't think y'all see what we see,
oh
but
my God. My stomach is hurting.
somebody's down there. The little girls in the cave. Oh my God.
I wish I could do what they do, but I really can't.
I mean, look at this one. And I'm just jumping.
Well, just be careful, please, because then
Abby, you said that already.
just be careful.
You be careful. You can't be telling me to be careful.
I think I need to leave my water here. Come back to it later.
Oh no. Yeah,
Yes,
that's a good
yeah.
resting spot for the water. Let me know if it get too tricky for you. Cause you know I gotta come in and be Superman.
So nervous.
Yeah, sit on the bed. Hey, we found us a cave.
Coming up is gonna be tricky for me.
Look, we're in a cave. Come.
Babe, I can't move. I'm scared.
Come. Alright guys, we made it to the cave and there's no service at all. So even if I wanted to go on Facebook Live,
You can't.
hey, look at that guy
Oh
over
my
there.
God.
He is nuts. Damn, I don't think y'all can see him. But yeah, right now we're about to go more into the cave. I mean, not into the cave. We're about to actually go more down.
I'm scared, guys. Look, show them down.
Yeah, look at where we at.
Coming up is gonna be tricky for me.
And all these rocks up there, all the rocks is up there. Imagine somebody was to like get up there.
They have people that have gotten up there.
Only reason why we over here is because I saw people like, you know, go over there and stuff.
Alright, so do you just want me to record you while you walk down and enjoy yourself?
No, you coming too.
Babe, I'm too scared.
I'm about to take a photo too. I'm going where that guy was.
Eric, no, please.
Yeah, it's just a photo. You take the photo from down. But I'm not going.
The way he's coming down, he looks nervous as shit right now.
Yeah. I mean, if he fell, he wouldn't die because he'll roll. So, not like you falling flat down.
Oh my God.
You ain't going down? Huh?
I need to get the stairs looking one.
In front of you.
Being adventurous can cause you a lot of...
Oh, we got to go this way.
Babe, that's too far down.
Look. Step on this right here. Alright, okay, we gotta go this way.
No, because there's no
Yeah.
steps to go down that way.
It's not?
No.
Oh, I see what
The
you're saying.
steps is only this.
Abby is terrified right now. I'm gonna jump. When I was a kid, I used to like climb gates. I was that type of kid. Climb gates, jump over fence. Now this part is dangerous. Wait, let me go first. Okay, Abby, I said let me go first. Okay, she's more adventurous than me then.
Just hold on to things.
Yeah. That's all it comes down to. See, we made it down.
Babe, what the fuck?
Abby, relax. Gosh.
We made
I'm way more experienced than you. Look at you. We made it. We made it.
Babe, but going up, I don't even know how I'm gonna get up there.
You just gotta remember the trail. First of all, we gotta remember the trail because where we at right now is like crazy. I don't think the camera justify how big and huge these rocks are. Alright guys, we are on our way back up. We gotta,
The biggest challenge of our lives right now.
Yeah, I know. I wanna go to a place where there's like waterfalls and stuff.
This was fun. Time to bust my ass.
These are a lot of rocks.
Wait, which way did they go?
I swear they went this way. Damn. Well, we could find out what's down here. Probably a bear or something. That looks like poop.
There's nothing down here.
It's not?
No.
Oh shit, babe, look. I'm joking. You soft.
I hate you.
Mini prank.
I just jumped.
Thumbnail. That's gonna be the thumbnail. Hey, if you going hiking, just know wear you some Jordans. And Abby is out. Boy, you gotta be careful in this part. There's an edge. This way. Yeah, it's this way.
Wait. I'm getting nervous.
Come.
I'm getting nervous, babe. Wait, babe. Ow! Which way?
This way. Abby is terrified right now. Go in front of me.
Babe, no.
Yeah.
Babe, no.
Because if you fall backwards, I can push you up and I'll fall. And I'll take the punch.
Which way?
Ouch. Got poked by a damn tree. You going too fast.
I'm trying to get this over with. Babe, which way?
We could go up here if you want to step on stuff. You know?
I can do it. Ouch!
Abby is just going through it. You're going too fast. Look how dope this is. It's like a little cave. Alright guys, we are on our way back. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Abby was completely terrified.
Yes, I was. Yes.
Yo, you have to see her face. Like
no.
I kind of pranked her a little bit. When I was like, oh my gosh, I said something.
I was like, at first I was like, I think he's lying, but then the way you like, I don't know, it was realistic.
Look at them hands.
And there's two people climbing the rocks right now,
but
guys.
my lens
It's
can't
crazy.
get that. If I had the other lens, it would have caught. Alright, we're on our way to
can we go get mangoes?
mangoes.
Mangoes.
Alright, so we're on our way to Walmart to pick up some mangoes, head back to the house,
Edit some
get that
videos.
prank edit that I did on her. Oh, my hands are completely dirty. I'm touching my face. Anyways,
I replaced too much, y'all.
let's go. I'm about to go hit up Walmart and get some what do you call it? Mangoes. Yeah.
Mangas. If they have any. If they don't, we have to do something else. Because mango season is out, you know.
Nah, they still have it.
Huh?
They still have it.
Really?
Yeah.
We have sand in the parking lot.
I didn't do it.
What?
I didn't do it. Your
Of course you didn't do it.
Your mother did it, exactly. Yo.
He keeps talking about my mom's. Alright guys, we're on our way. Back to
the house.
the casa.
To go edit a video, a prank that I did on her. Make sure you go check that out. I said that multiple times, but make sure you go check that out. If you're watching this video right now, this vlog, make sure you go check out the video before this. I think I did it. That was a good one, right? It's so gullible. I be doing some dumb stuff.
Anyways, see you guys when we get in. And we home. About to go in the house and
Alright guys, I didn't really like how the video ended, but give this video to 40 likes to let us know if you want to see more vlog, because the only way we're gonna do more vlogs is if you guys are responsive to the likes help us and let us know what you want to see. So if you want to see more vlogs from us every Monday or just vlogs in general, get this video to 40 likes. If it hits 40 likes, I know that 40 people want to watch this video, well, want to watch vlogs from us. So yeah, get this video to 40 likes and see you on the flip side.